My name is Joshi, and this is me experiencing the snow for the first time. Since then, I've had so many first time experiences, like learning how to swim, doing my first ever 10 miles running event, and the most recent one, visiting Goa for the first time. I mean, during the college days, all we could talk about was visiting Goa. It's nothing crazy, but experiencing something for the first time has its own feeling, you know? So, today, I'm going to try skiing for the first time. But there is just a slight problem. I can seriously count how many times I've walked on the snow, let alone skied on it. And now I have this damn heavy shoes that I'm wearing for the first time. Can't even walk properly. So, yeah. It's going to be a fun challenge. But before I try skiing, let me show you where I'm at. So I'm at a small French village called Combloux. It is kind of close to Mont Blanc, the highest peak in Western Europe, not to confuse with the luxury German brand. I don't think I can see Mont Blanc from here, but this is the view from my apartment. And if you are planning to visit Combloux too, then pretty much all the apartments here have the same view, as long as the sky is clear, of course. But if you are interested in specifically this one, then you can rent this property from bookings.com. And after enjoying the views for a bit, we decided to drive to Chamonix to get to the ski lift. And while you enjoy the views, let me explain how the ski slopes work here. So basically, there are different types of ski slopes, color graded between green, blue, red, and black slopes. The green slope, as the name suggests, is the most basic ones for beginners, and the black slope is for the pros. And this is the green area. Still very difficult.
You didn't even try it yet.
But it's difficult just even to walk.
Just because of this.
Yeah, it's big. But I'm going to try anyways. So I've already tried quite some times, but it's super difficult just to get into the shoes and walk with it. But anyways, now the goal is to show how much I've learned in like 10 minutes. You can be the judge. Whew. Damn. I'll fast forward this, no worries. Yes, goed. After that embarrassing attempt, me and another friend who was also a beginner decided to play around for a bit, only to discover that it is quite difficult and for some reason very tiring as well. Maybe it was the excitement, the altitude, or the fact that I was trying so hard not to fall down made me breathe quite heavily. Eventually, we both decided to stop skiing and walk around to enjoy the scenery. So, it was a very tiring experience. So next stop for us is a restaurant there. But the problem is we can't ski until that. And there are people skiing, so we have to make sure that we are walking outside of the ski path. But it's fun. I don't know if it is just me or everyone feels so exhausted. But yeah, walking with this heavy shoes on steep slopes because we couldn't really ski was quite exhausting. I could seriously feel my heart pumping so heavily just moments ago. So now, although I'm quite hungry, I think I'll just lie down because we found a place where there is some wooden surface to chill on. I desperately needed some food at this point. Going down with the skis would have been so much easier, but as we couldn't do it, we decided to walk all the way back holding our skis on shoulder. And now finally, it was the time for some food and drinks, checking out the viewpoint, clicking some pictures and getting recharged. So got recharged with some food, Red Bull, and now we came to see how the black colored slope looks. Obviously we won't going close to that because it's super difficult for us, but yeah, it's just quite beautiful to see all the mountains from this high up. This is the highest point I've ever been to. Last time I was in Salzburg it was almost 1800 meters, and this is about 2500 something. Hoot. Watching my friends and even some small kids ski down the black slope so easily encouraged me to try skiing a few more times myself. Okay, so I think this would be the best attempt for me so far because I've learned some things. Let me see if I can capture it on the camera. It takes a while for me to learn, but now that I have kinda gotten adjusted to the slope, it should be okay. Okay, good. I hope the camera can still catch it, but here I go. 3, 2, 1. By the way, the video makes it look slow, but in reality, I felt going so fast. Everything was going good, but I still fell at the end because I was missing the small thing regarding how to brake. But fortunately, I did come to this trip with some friends who can actually ski. Am I doing good when it comes to climbing up?
Yeah, that's how you need to do it, yeah. It feels like you're already feeling more natural on the skis.
Yeah, it is a bit natural, but I can't brake. So it would be natural death.
To the
Pizza.
Javier, can I go?
You can go, but no, you need to manage your brake. Go. I think it's likely you're gonna fall. You need to manage your brake.
If I go up,
You cannot go up. The thing is, during the way down, I think you're gonna fall. So manage your visa on the way, and don't go on the left. Huh? If you go on the left, brake, Biggie, brake. Brake. Okay, if you want to try the same, you can.
that's good.
But I'm not gonna, if you fall, I'm gonna have you stand up, but I'm not gonna. So don't forget, you need to be large and you need to have the pizza.
although I fell quite sometimes, eventually I did learn how to pizza once successfully.
Try to focus on having the legs helping each other. If you go one direction, pizza more so that you slow down, and try to push with the other leg to compensate. It's gonna come, but you need exercise. Okay, let's go to
After this success, I thought I learned skiing. But then,
Okay, come to me and fall. Okay.
after those attempts, I kept on failing. And as you can see, it was getting much cloudier and colder as the time was passing. So we decided to pack our bags and head downstairs. So I would recommend, if you can't ski at all, find some friends who can. Initially they will resist to help you, but eventually, it's a free ski lesson anyways. I'm super happy. Thank you. See you again. And that's it. For someone who touched the skis for the first time, I had a great experience. I still have to learn a lot, but I'll do it one by one. Next time, I'll try to reserve a longer ski vacation so that I can actually book some lessons. But on the other note, I would recommend visiting Combloux even if you can't ski. As you can see, it's a great place to just walk around anyways. Now, I thank you for your time and hopefully see you in the next one. Au revoir.